My name is Dayrelis Mesa Sardina. I am a physician assistant certified. I work in primary care setting and I do research as well, and I'm starting to go into aesthetics. I heard from Empire Medical Training on Facebook ad, and I wasn't sure if I wanted to come in or not. I am very new in aesthetics, so I was a little worried that a lot of experienced people were going to be here, and they are here, but they're very nice. I totally recommend anyone, whether you do have experience or you're brand new like myself, to come in. I am learning a lot and everyone is super friendly, and they have actually given me a lot of great advice that I will be implementing soon. I'll recommend the training for nurses, physician assistants, MDs, DOs, anyone that is ready to learn and move forward for what they're looking for to grab from Empire Medical Training, because they have a lot of different classes, a lot of things that you can choose from. More than welcome to come, and I'm sure you will find something that will definitely help you. My name is Dayrelis Mesa Sardina. I'm a physician assistant, and I welcome you to join Empire Medical Training.